What's going on YouTube? I want to show you guys today how you can actually hijack your competitors' YouTube ads. So exactly, let me pull up my screen right here. And then the reason why I'm showing you guys this is actually so you can reduce the learning curve. I mean, you can figure out the psychology of people who are actually running ads to you, because if they're running ads to you, that means that you are interested in something that, whatever it is they're offering, whether they want to show you their YouTube channel, whether they want to show you a particular product or whatever. So that means if you're interested in it, then that means probably more than likely you are actually promoting some of the same things that they're promoting. So actually what you can do is you can take the psychology and the philosophy of their ads, and you can use them in your own ads to make your own ads, or just to make videos in general. So actually, let me pull up my screen right here and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So right here, if you can see, I actually pulled up a video, which actually this is a video of a guy that I was supposed to interview. We're actually connected on Instagram. He has a lot of followers. You can go check him out. His name is Wadamaya, and he actually talks about Africa. But the thing is, actually, obviously, I'm an affiliate marketer, I'm a digital marketer, and actually a networker with entrepreneurs. And for some reason, YouTube is actually promoting affiliate ads in front of me. I don't know exactly whose ad this is, but actually, if you can see, it says, "Is Rwanda really a country in Africa?" So actually, I just got back from Rwanda. I spent 111 days in Rwanda, which is a very nice, beautiful country. When you think of Rwanda, you actually think of, the genocide, but obviously there's a lot more to that than Rwanda. But this video is not about Rwanda, it's about hijacking your competitors' ads. So exactly right here, if you look right here, you can see that this is an ad. It says ad 1 of 2, because usually YouTube runs 2 ads before the video, and then they actually run ads within the video depending on how big the video is, and I guess depending on who the influencer is, whose channel that the person is promoting on. But anyway, if you just right click, and this only works on desktop, so just to let you know. So if you right click right here on the video itself, and then you click stats for nerds, and then you're actually going to highlight this number right here where it says video ID, and you're actually going to highlight that video ID, and then you actually have to hold it. So you right click, this screen comes up, you click stat for nerds, and then you actually have to highlight this video ID. So you hold it right here. So pretty much you know how to highlight everything, but just make sure you hold it. Then if you click Control C on your keyboard, it'll actually copy that video ID, which I have just done. So actually now what you want to do is you actually want to come back up here to this video, and you want to go to the equal sign, and then you want to actually click Control V, which will obviously put a new video ID in there. And then actually what you are going to do is you're going to hit Control C again to copy this. You want to make sure that you copy it. And actually what I do is I actually use a system called Evernote. You can put it pretty much wherever you want to. And I actually store all of the ads that are actually presented to me, and actually, put before me on YouTube. That way I can kind of see what my competitors are doing, and I can figure out how to run my own ads, how I can run my own videos, how I can set videos up for YouTube. And then you can actually also push these videos out and this content out to other sources like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, wherever else you want to go. So now if you click actually paste and go to, it'll actually go to that ad. So actually we're getting ready to see who in the world this ad is for. So you can click pause right here, which obviously you can see it's the same video that was shown before us. And then also what you can do is you can kind of figure out what the marketer or the person who is advertising is actually doing. So actually it says right here, new list building technology affiliate training. So it's actually giving you ideas of how they're running ads, how they're keeping track, how they're testing and everything like this. And actually in some of these videos, it'll actually say 1, it'll say 2, it'll say add 1 or 2, and then it'll actually tell you that, what exactly they are doing, and pretty much you can tell who they're actually marketing. So obviously right now this is talking about affiliate marketing, because it talks about affiliate training. And then if you wanted to know, it's obviously internet marketing tools. And then if you can see, a lot of people don't know about this tactic, so this is pretty much a hidden tactic, which actually I found out some of this just on YouTube, which I was watching a video on YouTube. So obviously now I'm actually giving you guys, I actually took time to search through videos to find this. So what I'm doing for you guys is actually giving you, I'm actually reducing your learning curve. I'm reducing your time. So if you click subscribe on my channel and you click the thumbs up button, click the thumbs up button, thumbs down, whether or not, I don't know why you hate this content. I don't know why you would thumbs down, because I'm actually giving you value, showing you value, giving you ideas of how you can grow your business and how you can learn about different tactics and techniques that other entrepreneurs are using. But what I've done is, I partner with Ty Lopez, partner with Anthony Morrison, partner with Alex Muir. You can see the Anthony Morrison and Alex Muir interviews actually on my channel. I'll put a link to those up in the top. Look for a little eye in the top right-hand corner of this video, and it'll lead you to those videos on my channel. But I mean, obviously, I'm sharing content, sharing value. So if you want to get more value, more content, just click subscribe and the bell. That way you'll be updated on every video that I put out. So actually what I want to show you right here is just pretty much, right here, there's nobody really commenting on this video. I mean, I like to like certain videos and then, just tell them, great content or something like that. And then obviously what's going to happen is, let me type this in, great content, if I can type today. So just hit great content, then hit, comment, or just, comment. So pretty much, just put this on their channel. And actually what's going to happen is this person right here, so Internet Marketing Tool, whoever runs this channel, or even other people that know about this tactic, they're actually going to see you. And then obviously anybody else that comes here, you're the only pretty much commenter on here. So obviously they're going to see your comment, because this is an ad. People don't expect people to comment on their ads. YouTube analysts or marketers or affiliate marketers, they don't expect people to comment on their ads, because a lot of people don't know about this tactic. So like I said, it's hidden, it's pretty much top niche, top notch. So like I said, I'm doing all this on my channel, giving you guys free content, free information, and you can reach out to me if there's any videos or anything that you want to see, you want to know. I'll look it up for you, and I'll try to get back in touch with you, place a video, that way everybody can share in the knowledge. So yeah, so you put right here, I think Gary Vee calls this the $1.80 rule, where you just comment on other people's videos, and then you can actually take this to people who actually click on your video. I mean, they'll actually learn who you are. So more than likely right here, if you click on this, it'll actually lead to my channel. So therefore, you're actually getting other marketers, you're getting other people who are in your field to learn about who you are. And then obviously who I am, which I just mentioned in the video, I'm an affiliate marketer, I'm a digital marketer, I'm a network of entrepreneurs. So all you need to do if you want to be in touch with me is you just go to my channel and you click the subscribe button, which is right down here in the right hand corner of all my videos. You'll check it out on the end of my video as well, and just click the subscribe button right here, and then don't forget to click the bell. So click the subscribe button and the bell, and I'll update. You will be updated on every video that I put out. So thank you guys for tuning in. Remember, hit the thumbs up or thumbs down on this video. Show me some love, share a comment. Let me know what you thought about this video in the comments below. And thank you guys for tuning in, and have a good one.